Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the euro currency again. So you can see that euro currency keeps our strategy very well. So we have talked about the trading of harmonic swings on daily chart every time when the market hits the weekly oversold. And these tactics are showing not bad results within a couple of weeks probably already. But gradually these tactics coming to an end because on the weekly chart, as you can see, market is coming to our major support area, and here really big chance exists that we will get the head and shoulders pattern. Currently, guys, situation is a bit tricky because, as you know, that the euro has its own domestic problems. Mostly it stands in the political situation in Italy, where the no consensus among the political parties on the government, on the some president turmoil. So this was impeachment to the president. So that brings more pressure on the euro currency and makes possible the direct breakout to the downside. But Italy still, it's not at Germany, and I think that maybe this is not as strong as it could be. Besides, on the Italy, there's really a long time already some problems every time when it gets taken the elections. So it's really every time it's a headache with the government, never elections with the prime minister as a president candidate. So it's not something new. It happens every time. Within probably a few years already. So that's why maybe this factor will not become very strong, and the initial suggesting that we have talked about within the several months truly could be formed. Anyway, overall picture on the weekly chart looks very bright, so you can see kind of the hand shoulders pattern is forming here. So it will be a very strong support area. First of all, it's of course the neckline of our potential pattern. But what is also important, we have two different fib levels. First level is the hidden 618 support, is 1480 from the gap reaction point, from this low to this top. And guys, here will be the major euro 50% fib level. So you know that the euro currency respects the 50% levels, and it's one of the features of this market and stands in the same areas, 1450 approximately 1480. Also, it will be a weekly reversal. So for this week, guys, we have the floor. If you'll take a look at this week, you could see that the lower band for indicator stands at the 1571. This is the oversold level for this week, and currently low stands 1585. So mostly we could say that market has hit these lows. Maybe it could move slightly lower, as we know it's difference approximately for the 20-30 pips could be. So I'm not excluding the chance that market still could reach the fib support area here. Maybe not this week, on the next week probably will happen. That's why the tactics that we have followed recent 2-3 weeks gradually is coming to an end, as I said. So we'll take a look at the daily chart. As you can see, market keeps harmonic swings very well since the starting of this drop, and it was the first time it has happened in April. As soon as we have got these harmonic retracements, as you can see, these 3-4 times that we have traded it already. That was reaction on the XLP target. If you probably remember, this is double harmonic swing has happened here. So as market is coming gradually to the bottom, to the sale, to the floor of this week, the chance of the taking a short position becomes not as attractive as it was before this moment. But still, I think the non-intraday charts, it could be tracked for some godly steeple to sell patterns, because they are most common in the current situation. It lets you to take the position. So we'll take a look at the hourly chart. Unfortunately, while I'm preparing this video, this market already has dropped. But in fact, you could see that downward action has started by the again by the godly steeple to sell. And our previous harmonic swing when we have traded here is also was the godly steeple to sell pattern. So you'll see some upward retracement here in the shape of the ABCD pattern. So probably another attempt of the going short could be taken until market stands above the major support on the weekly chart. So that's the final destination point that we probably should see within this week and probably on the next week. Some potential to the downside still exists. So as we said, 1576 will be the 5070. This will be the pure number of this band of the oscillator predictor. But as you know, market could move slightly lower as it was on the last week. So it's 20 pips lower market has moved. So that's why the 1550 easily could be reached within this week. That's potential target of the possible bearish positions here. And as I said, any upward retracement, the kind of the ABCD retracement here, it could be treated as an opportunity for taking the position. Also, you could follow on this week, probably it still should work with our tactics of this harmonic swing. So as soon as you will get kind of a retracement of this harmonic swing, for example, if it will happen this week, and it will take the shape of some ABCD pattern on the hourly charts, will be godly steeple to sell will be formed here. That will be chance to take short position with the target right around the oversold area of this week's around 1550, 1570.